Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make sandwich for my family. For sandwich making, we need bread. For other items, please see the description below. We need spread, your choices of filling, and your sandwich garnish. Optional. Remove the edges of the bread. Please do not dispose this. We can make a bread pudding from this. Reheat the ham, pan frying 1 minute per side. You have two options in reheating your bread. Please see the description below. How to make poached egg. I cracked the egg using dining utensil. Put the egg into a strainer. Strain the liquid part of the egg whites. Add salt to your boiling water. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Let it simmer until you smell the vinegar. Stir the water before adding the egg. Cook the egg for 3 minutes. For ham and cheese sandwich, we need bread, mayonnaise, ham, cheese, and bread. For ham and cheese with poached egg, we need bread, mayonnaise, ham, poached egg, cheese spread. For multi-decker sandwich, you need layers of bread, mayonnaise, ham, cheese, and tuna spread. For tuna spread, we need 150 grams corned tuna, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. Our finished product, multi-decker, regular contemporary, and open-face sandwiches. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.